Good morning everyone. Ours is Team 4. Our project is about adaptive speed vision system and I am VJSC. Let me introduce my teammates Neha, Akhil, Tarun and Pranay. So our problem statement is about the traditional speed breakers normalize all vehicles equally like emergency vehicles, ambulances, fires. So we identified adaptive speed vision system which we cannot delay emergency vehicles like ambulance and fighters. The speed breaker automatically becomes flattened during emergency vehicles, like additional speed breakers which create discomfort for the patients inside the vehicles. Already the existing solutions we have is adaptive speed bumps and speed fusions.
Next, proposed solution to overcome the delay caused by the traditional speed breakers. Here we are using. We proposed a solution for adaptive speed vision system, which uses RFID module. The RF tag is attached to the emergency vehicles like ambulance, police truck, police car, fire trucks, etc. And the RFID reader is kept near the speed breakers. Whenever the emergency vehicle is detected, the RF reader will detect the emergency vehicle and automatically sends the signals to the Arduino, and the Arduino will send the signals to the servo motor so that the speed breaker will be flattened. The emergency vehicle will be moved smoothly and fastly. For traditional vehicles, the speed breaker remains safe.
Components we are looking for is Arduino and MDF sheets. Components we are using this project: report, RFID module, and MDF sheets, power supply. I'm going to share the working of this project. Since we are using Arduino, RFID tag, and power supply, and also servo. Now I will demonstrate the working of this project. I'm supplying the product. Now we can see here that device system which is activated. Now this is emergency vehicle, like it's an ambulance. It is already equipped with an RFID tag. Whenever the vehicle passes over the RFID, then that RF reader will detect it. Then this speed breaker will be flattened. Then vehicle moves very smoothly without any interruption. We can send the patient to the hospital at speed.
I am telling about the disadvantages and advantages. Advantages are emergency vehicles moves freely without stopping. The normal vehicles slows down at a speed breaker. For safety, it works automatically. It is not manually. And disadvantages are disadvantages are it needs electricity or battery. It requires maintenance.
Position. Okay, now we can see that whenever a normal vehicle is passing through this speed breaker system, then we can see no change in the speed break position. Now we have two vehicles. One is an emergency vehicle which is fixed with the RFID, and another vehicle is a normal vehicle. It doesn't have any RFID. So now we are passing this vehicle over the RFID tag. You can see the movement of this speed breaker is flattened and vehicle is faster. Then another is a normal vehicle. Like since it has no RFID, whenever it passes over this RF tag, then you can see no change in any movement of the speed breaker. So hence our project is working 100%. By this we would like to control that this is a very efficient system where we can reduce the delays while transporting the patient to these hospitals. Okay, thank you. My future scope of this project is we can also integrate with AI-based software or also an app to monitor the function of our components and have a regular checking and making this project working fully functional.
One.
In real-time implementation, we have to use the materials like hydraulics, some metal slabs, and we have to tuck this road into a fixed shape so that we can fix the metal slabs and hydraulics, and this will be included in real life.